Histograms. A histogram is a graphical representation of a frequency distribution. It is a type of bar chart that shows the distribution of data values in a set by dividing them into a set of intervals called bins or class intervals. In a histogram, the horizontal axis represents the range of values or intervals of the variables being measured. The vertical axis represents the frequency or density of data points falling within each interval. The bars of a histogram are drawn adjacent to each other with no gaps between them to indicate that the variable is continuous. Histograms are commonly used in statistics and data analysis to visualize the distribution of data, identify patterns and outliers, and explore the shape of the distribution. They are especially useful for large data sets where it can be difficult to see patterns and trends in the data when presented in a raw form. Drawing histogram. To draw a histogram, determine the range and number of intervals for the variable you want to plot. The number of bins will depend on the size of your data set and the nature of the data. Count the frequency of data points falling into each interval. This can be done manually by counting the number of data points in each interval or by using software such as Excel or statistical packages like R, Python or SPSS. Calculate the frequency density for each interval by dividing the frequency by the width of the interval. This will give you the height of the bars in your histogram. Draw a horizontal axis that represents the range of values for the variable being measured and divide it into intervals that match your data set. Draw a vertical axis that represents the frequency or density of data points and label it accordingly. Draw a rectangle above each interval on the horizontal axis with a height equal to the frequency density of that interval. The bars should be adjacent to each other with no gaps in between them. Add a title and labels to your histogram, including the name of the variable being measured, the range of values on the horizontal axis, and the units of measurement. Finally, check your histogram for accuracy and clarity, making sure that it accurately represents your dataset and is easy to read and interpret. Worked example. During 1 year, the midday temperature T°C in Zedford view recorded. The table shows the results. Complete the histogram to show the information in the table. One bar is drawn. A histogram uses frequency density on y-axis, which is calculated by using frequency density equals frequency over class width. Calculate frequency density for each class width as shown in the table. Now complete the histogram using class width as a width of bar and frequency density as a height of bar, as shown in the diagram. Examination tips. Always exercise and record the frequency densities. Going straight to the graph makes it easier to make mistakes and lose marks. Method marks are provided to demonstrate that you understand how to use frequency density rather than frequency. Test yourself. Question number 1. The speed v km per hour of each of 200 cars passing a building is measured. The frequency table shows the results. Speed and frequency. On the grid, draw a histogram to show the information in this table. It's a 3-mark question. Question number 2. Some students each record the mass mkg of their school bag. Adil wants to draw a histogram to show this information. It's a 2-mark question. Question number 3. The height h centimeter of each of 120 plants is measured. The frequency table shown this information. A histogram is drawn to show the information in the frequency table. The height of the bar representing the interval 10 to 20 is 7.2 cm. Calculate the height of the bar representing the interval 30 to 50. It's a 2-mark question. Question number 4. A histogram shows information about the time taken by cyclists to finish a cycle race. 7 cyclists took 80 minutes or less to finish the race. Work out an estimate for the number of cyclists who took more than 105 minutes to finish the race. It's a 3-mark question. Explain why your answer to part first is only an estimate is of 1 mark. Question number 5. The table gives information about the heights of 150 students. On the grid, draw a histogram for this information and work out an estimate for the fraction of the students who have a height between 150 cm and 170 cm is of 2 marks.